Thank everybody for coming out today for the unveiling of Seaflower, the new addition to the Mermaid Tale Trail. Thank you, Elizabeth Johnson, for painting this for us. Thank you. Without further ado, here she is.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Johnson, and I'd like to show you one of my latest pieces. This is the Mermaid Seaflower. I did it for Pickett's Hardware, and I'm really proud of her, I have to say. It was a couple of months' work. I learned a lot doing it. It's done in automotive paint, which I've never worked with before. So it was a challenge, but I think a good one. Normally, I'm a colored pencil artist, so I do very tight work on paper. So I think I really expanded my horizons on this one.
Hello, my name is Todd Pickett. This is my son, Philip Pickett. We've been in the hardware business since 1950 in Hernando County, family owned, and now we are ready to introduce our newest member of the family, Seaflower.
The reason why we wanted to become part of the Mermaid Tale Trail was because Hernando County is known for mermaids, and we decided to incorporate a mermaid into our logo and be more a part of the county and be more part of the community. So we also decided to have Seaflower join us every day, be part of our family here at Pickett's Ace Hardware.
We invite you to come down, get your picture taken with Seaflower, and come in and see the exciting Ace Hardware, Brooksville, Florida. We've been here since 1950, family owned and operated.
Ace is a place with the helpful hardware, folks.